extremely dangerous if you fall in, especially if it's slippery. So no punting, all closed. It's only like 4:30 p.m. and that's the gate locks. And those are the locks open there. It's a bit like a balancing lake, so the river Cam doesn't overflow. So when it's full here, it goes through the gate locks and come out here, overflowing to the lower level. But unfortunately, even the lower level is flooding. So it's not really balancing, it's just transferring the river Cam water from up there down here towards Darwin College. I wonder if Darwin College will get some of the overflow in their lawns and gardens. That's the Granta Park down there, just ahead. And you can see Darwin College is just here. So the lock is basically just redirecting the water flow from the river Cam on the left. Keep clear of the sluice. Whoa, quite high. So I wouldn't be here if it's raining hard. It could actually have high waves over the fence. About 4:30 sunset in Cambridge.